civilian in this video? Napkin folds are an easy way to elevate your tablescape. From weddings to birthdays or your Father's Day celebration, you can use this elegant tuxedo napkin fold tutorial to instantly add elegance to your event.
Just like you iron a suit for a crisp tailored look, begin with an iron napkin. First, fold the napkin into a triangle with the point facing you. Next, fold back about 1 inch of the top of the napkin. Now fold both corners of the napkin to overlap at the bottom. Tuck back the side corners. Lastly, tuck the bottom portion in to complete your tuxedo napkin. This versatile napkin fold can be used with a variety of materials and colors to complement any theme.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos.